Why would you pass?
Huh?
Why?
What, honey?
Why?
Justin's asking why would you?
All you need to do is throw in like 3 or 4. All you need to do is throw in 3 or 4. Yikes. You have to turn around. You have to turn around. Did you catch the woman going the wrong way? Okay, cool. Thank you.
And I was like, no. She probably cussed me out like under her breath. Retarded as fuck. What the fuck?
So many things were happening in that clip. You had some guy run the red, and then some guy go the wrong way. I was like, I'm just gonna pull in and I'm gonna be super careful.
Okay, well you can give us that 1774 towards the...
Okay, will do.
$100.
Oh.
Yeah, uh-oh.
Like this area to the left.
Guys, we need a picture. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh, how nice.
Isn't that nice?
That is really
I haven't
nice.
heard it yet.
It's super cute.
It's I love her.
Oh my god, I still can't get over that one audition video that she, or not audition, but like her performance on the, oh, it was so good. With the little ukulele, oh, love it.
Hey, I'm heading over. I should get there right at 8:17. Okay, yay. See you soon. Bye.
Be practicing. That's something you need to watch.
Oh my god. Where did that person come from?
I'm so confused.
I don't know. That guy just ran that stop sign. Love Greyhound.
Do they?
Yeah. God, people go when it's red and don't go when it's green? What's going on here?
You know,
Okay.
that will set her for the first 2 days.
Okay.
Shoes were not near as important as I thought they were. We spent a lot of money on shoes we didn't need. Who does that?
I know, but I'm just saying, when it's a good night, take it as a win and walk away from it. Don't do one extra one that ruins it. So
$50.
I don't fucking care what their dinner.
No, I know,
budget
but
is.
all I'm saying is.
Okay,
I'm
you
saying
concentrate. I
no,
love
I
it.
am. Just someone cut me off. No worries. He's just. Ooh, that was so close. Did you not?
All new Dave Matthews Band concert airs on DMB Radio, which is channel 3, here for a limited time. It's part of their Friday night concert series.
No, turn around. What? It's closed. You can't go that way. It's closed. It's closed. I'm glad you saw that.
We'll probably have to go ask somebody a question
Yeah, that's
or
what
send them a letter.